So number 3 is the upper looper. And we're going to start with the upper looper, which is number 5 on here.
See, now
take it through the green.
Now, if you change the dials, and you change that to a 6, and if you call
okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. So it is the third dial.
The third dial. But you know down here, okay, I see what you're saying. So it's the third dial, so it's going to go in 5, 6. It's going to go up to 7, and it's going to go in the upper looper. That's the very first one. Number 3 is the upper looper. Then you go to number 4, which is the lower looper. And the lower looper is going to go through all the blue steps. But the blue one is going to go through pull the arm out. The blue one, you pull the arm out, snap it back. It's going to go in that lower looper hole. But that thread is going to go on top of everything.
Yes.
So, and then I got to remember that. And so now I can do number 2.
Correct.
And then I do number 1.
Correct. You always, when you do a surgery, you thread upper looper, lower looper, right needle, left needle.
Okay. So.
And the needles can change.
Right.
So if you should ever take the right needle out because, say, you're doing like a roll of hem or something like that, then you would take the right needle out. So then you would thread it upper looper, lower looper, left needle.
Upper looper. Okay.
But then if you do it, and that would be like for a wide roll of hem. If you do a narrow roll of hem, you'll take the left needle out and use the right needle only. If you use a differential feed.
That's what I'm doing. What you just said. Well, because it's that mesh, and I want it to be the smallest, so it needs to be that roll hem. So say that again for the roll hem. I need to take the left.
Well, it's going to be a wide one or a narrow one.
Narrow.
Okay, so then you would take the left needle out and leave the right needle in. Make sure that if your machine has a roll hem plate, that you take the standard plate off and insert the roll hem. If it doesn't, make sure that you've got all your settings for a rolled hem. That's when you need your book.
Right.
Because in your book will tell you what your dial settings are.
Okay.
For hem.
Okay. That's what I need. I need a roll hem.
Yeah, but you need the book.
Right. And it may be there. I need to make sure. What is that? Okay. I'm just praying that I didn't throw that away because it was around Christmas time, and you know,
if the last time I had to have a book sent to me, they charged me, I think it was like $20.
What?
And that was even downloaded from the internet.
What?
Yep.
And
so, you know, they might charge, they might not. You know,
I wonder if you can Google it too.
Well,
and they can talk you through it.
They're going to talk to you. It's going to be on basically any machine that is out there.
That's true.
Not yours.
That's true.
And let me tell you, not all machines are the same.
Right. Right. Okay.
So that's the reason why, you know, even if it costs you $20 to get it, you'd be surprised it's worth a wealth of information.
Right, because then I can always have it online and I don't have to worry about losing it.
Right. Well, even if you print it, you can write all of your notes. Say, okay, this is, I like this row of cam, and I want to, my left needle set on this, or my right needle set on this, my upper looper on this dial, and my lower looper on this dial for, a gauze type of fabric.
Right.
I did this 4-way stretch. And, it's an outfit that I made for myself. Say I made a set of the Slinky 4-way stretch pajama pants.
Right.
And put a roll of ham on the bottom. Well, then if you know, and especially if you remember those pajama pants, what the weight is on the fabric, you're like, well, I like that. I remember that. I like
right.
This. Then all you got to do is go to your book, look at it, and say, oh, boom. I said this, I this, and this, I do this, and boom, I'm done. And you can have the hem and them in less than 2 minutes.
Wow.
So,
I didn't know that.
Yep.
So a roll hem.
Yep.
But I have to have a different plate for that.
Maybe you might have to have it. So your book will tell you if you have a different plate,
Right.
or if you have a different setting.
Right. Okay. I think I got it.
Don't worry, I give that to everybody when they leave the book at home.